Lasagna is a delicious dish that consists of layers of pasta, cheese, sauce, and meat. Here is a recipe for traditional lasagna that you might like. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 3/4 pound bulk pork sausage, 3 cans 8 ounces each tomato sauce, 2 cans 6 ounces each tomato paste, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, 3 large eggs, 3 tablespoons fresh parsley minced, 3 cups 4% small curd cottage cheese, 1 cup ricotta cheese, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 9 lasagna noodles cooked and drained, 6 slices provolone cheese about 6 ounces, 3 cups part-skim mozzarella cheese shredded, divided. How to bake. 1. In a large skillet, cook beef and sausage over medium heat until no longer pink and drain. 2. Add the tomato sauce, tomato paste, garlic, sugar, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. 3. Bring to a boil, reduce heat, simmer, and covered for 1 hour, stirring occasionally. 4. In a large bowl, whisk eggs and parsley. 5. Add cottage cheese, ricotta cheese, and Parmesan cheese and mix well. 6. Spread 1 cup meat sauce in and grease 13/9 in baking dish. 7. Layer with 3 noodles, provolone cheese, 2 cups cottage cheese mixture, 1 cup mozzarella, 3 noodles, 2 cups meat sauce, remaining cottage cheese mixture and 1 cup mozzarella. 8. Top with remaining noodles, meat sauce, and mozzarella. Dish will be full. 9. Cover and bake at 375 for 45 minutes. 10. And cover and bake until heated through, about 20 minutes longer. 11. Let it stand for 15 minutes before cutting. Enjoy your homemade traditional lasagna.